All right, this is number 6 of the number and operations test. This is one that kind of, I know, tricked a lot of people. As you work through, you go, which number is irrational? You can look at B, 0.78, yes, that repeats. Mark through that one. C, 2.35, terminating decimal, that you can eliminate that one. Here are the two that really seem to trip people up, because if you put it in the calculator, 22 divided by 7, here's where that calculator will get you into trouble when it comes to irrational and irrational numbers. You're going to get the numbers are going to go across the screen. It's going to come up with like say 3.142857. But if you actually continue working this out, if you actually work it out, 22 divided by 7, and I'm going to go ahead and do that real quick. I want to show you the difference here. So when 7 times 3, you get to 21. Do your subtraction. 7 goes. Now 7 will go into 10. 3 point. They're going 1 time. So 1 times 7. I'm just going to continue working this out in a long way. And this, of course, this could take a while, but now I'm going to talk to you about the test taking strategy in just a second. So when I keep going, and I'll show you what I really want you to see here in just a second. And then, okay, here's the key here. Okay, you do your 7 times 7, 49. And you notice here, okay, 10 minus 9 is 1. Bring down my next 0. If you will look here, and look back up here, we're going to start that same pattern over. So if I keep working this out, and I say, okay, here, 7 goes into 10 1 time. If you notice, here, you do the same thing. So 7 times 7. So basically 10 minus 7, I've got 3. It's actually 30. Oh, wait a minute. There it goes. So you're going to see this pattern over and over. What makes D actually rational is this pattern right here repeats over and over forever. Whereas if I look at A, here's some things. There's no repeating pattern, but here's what I want you to look at. That dot dot dot. If there's no repeating pattern, a lot of times when you see the dot dot dot, that tells you it goes on, and there's really no repeating pattern. So in this case, 6A is the one that is irrational. And just don't get tripped up by that. When you see 2 that's close, look for that dot 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 and see if there's a pattern. If not, take the time and actually work this out and see if there's a pattern. And that's number 6 of the number and operations test.